They said it could not be done. They said you can't sublimate on 100% cotton, and I'm here to tell you that is a lie. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Stay tuned. So I got this shirt from my girl Angela Jasmina here on YouTube from AJ Blanks. That's my girl. I love her. Also, these shirts are thebomb.com. So originally I was going to embroider this shirt, but the design that I created was way too intricate. So I decided to sublimate it. Little did I know, since I'm new to sublimation, they said that you can't sublimate on 100% cotton because the colors will not look right. Like, they won't be as bright. The more polyester you have, the better the colors will turn out. That was the myth. But when there's a will, honey, there's a way. And your girl did some research, and I came across this product. You guys like my design? It's too cute. I made it myself. It's for my niece Remy, who turned 4, and this is Mirror. And y'all know I did not know who Mirror was. I'm like, who is that? But she's a royal detective. She's real cute. It's a cute show. And speaking of Mirror, don't forget to mirror your image, because you're going to be upset when it comes out backwards. But yeah, whenever you're heat pressing anything, make sure you mirror your image because it will come out backwards. That goes for sublimation and heat transfer vinyl. And here's the reveal. It came out too cute. The colors are perfect. Shout out to Crafting Besties. That's the sublimation paper that I'm using, black owned. Also, I want to shout out Cosmos Ink, also another black owned company. These two are a match made in heaven, and I can't wait to do a design on polyester fabric because I know that the ink release is going to be crazy. The colors are going to pop even more. Like, I'm so excited to add this to my crafting. I have so many more projects that I want to do, and I just can't wait. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. I'll greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more sublimation videos in the near future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, my Kandor crafters.